Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a sewing machine for beginners. First, find a good spot for your machine, making sure it's stable and well lit. Then, connect the power cord and foot pedal. Finally, check that your needle is inserted correctly and tightened, ready for your first stitch. Next, let's wind your bobbin. Put your thread spool on the pin and guide the thread through the tension disc. Wind the thread onto the bobbin, filling it evenly. Once full, trim the thread and place the bobbin into its case, ensuring it spins smoothly. This step is crucial for consistent stitches. Now for the top thread. Follow the numbered path on your machine, guiding the thread through each point. Make sure it goes through the T-cup lever, which moves up and down. Finally, thread the needle from front to back. This precise path prevents tangles and ensures proper stitch formation. You're almost ready. Pull both the bobbin and top threads under the presser foot and towards the back. Always lower the presser foot before you begin sewing to hold your fabric in place. Before starting your project, practice on a piece of scrap fabric to get a feel for the machine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.